Hello, guys. It's a chill afternoon for evening for me and Destiny, as normal. Everybody's kind of doing their own thing, and I'm chilling out watching a movie and kind of spending time with Destiny. And this is how the girl be. If she always find a spot under me, if you cuddle up. Look there, my heart dead. Like, get it up on your head just now. Yeah, King Papa Linky? Eh? Hi, my boo booms. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Say, give me a kiss. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. You love her sweetness. Yes, you do. Hi, boo booms. Hello, pretty girl. Hi, Destiny White. You love sweetness? Yes. Yes. You love a cuddles? Yes. Yes. Kiss, 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 kiss. Yes, you are so sweetie, papas. Hi, my mamas. Give me a kiss. Yes. Hi, Destiny White. I love you. We love you. Yes. Yes. You pretty girl. Not my hair, man. You will wear feet. I'ma keep telling her, not touch me here. Oh. Destiny. Oh, mama, look at what they call me. Destiny. Oh, mama, look at what they call me. Destiny. What? Pretty, pretty. Ay. Hello. You're not gonna talk today, no? Pretty, pretty. At girl Destiny. At girl Destiny. At girl Destiny. At girl Destiny. Oh. At girl Destiny. What? Pretty, pretty. You not talk? Sweetie patoot. I love you. You love some hugs and kisses? You love my hugging? Jay, pick it up, please. Jonah. Hi, mommy. Pretty, pretty. Hi. Destiny, oh mama, look at what they got me. Destiny, oh mama, look at what they got me. Destiny, what? Pretty girl? Any little corn up on me? She like for a go. Sorry, man, I don't put your feather. Sorry. She nibbles. She doesn't bite. She's absolutely like the sweetest thing ever. See? At girl Destiny. At girl Destiny. Oh. At girl Destiny. What? Jaya, come say hi to Destiny, mama. Right now, she's not even nibbling. She's she's just like rubbing her tongue on me. This is nasty. It feels so gross. Hey, you. Hi, my pretty girl. Hi, Destiny. Hi. She's talking so much, guys, but that bird, yeah, do what she want to do. She acts like she's so aggressive, but she's not. It's just the front. Pretty, 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 pretty. Destiny. Oh mama, oh mama, oh mama, Destiny. Oh mama, oh mama, oh mama, oh mama, oh mama, oh mama, oh mama. Destiny. Oh mama, oh mama, oh mama, oh mama. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Yes. At Gal Destiny. At Gal Destiny. At Gal Destiny. Oh, oh, oh. At Gal Destiny. What? Destiny. Oh, mama, look at what they call me. Destiny. Oh, mama, look at what they call me. Destiny. What? My pretty baby. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. The sweetest Quaker parrot ever, guys. Absolutely the sweetest girl. Like, you see how it's been like 7 minutes of me like this with her? Could you imagine? I could keep going for like another hour and she wouldn't get tired of me. She will just get sweeter and sweeter and calmer and calmer. Right? Destiny whiter than my teeth, guys. Like, Manifa. I don't like, you know? They say yellow teeth strong, so me need for whiten though. Look there. Pretty girl. Yes, pretty girl. Hello? Top me them ear, you know? Say hello. Pretty girl. Give me a kiss. Yes, give me a kiss. Say she talk when she want talk and she do what she want do. Like lately she's been saying like sentences and actually talking, but she's been spending a lot of time with my brother when I'm at work. So I think she's getting it from him, and she's like, you see how she's with me? Like she would be in, like she would embarrass me in public if my brother was out around out and I'm here. And both me and my brother are here in the same room. She would embarrass me because I think she would choose to go to him than me. Because, see, she's talking and saying other things now. And she's laughing when I laugh. She's laughing when I laugh. And, Jaya, leave Destiny's cage. She laughs when I laugh. She talks most of the time when I talk. But she's been out all day. I guess she's a little bit chattery tired. Tiredy. But she's talking so much. I'm so proud of her, and I haven't even had her for a year yet. April will be a full year. I can't even wait to see what a full year would be like. She's absolutely adorable. Look at this. But yeah, hopefully as older she gets, she'll be a lot more talkative. I didn't even think she would be talkative. I didn't even like get her because she would be talkative. I got her because this is the bird I actually wanted, and I actually researched it on, did like tons and tons of research on, and I've always had lovebirds, always. And I actually wanted a Quaker parrot, something in the parrot family, and a Quaker parrot I actually wanted. And I heard that they'll just be like a one person bird, but she's been so awesome with everybody and every little kid that's coming here. But Jaya, she and Jaya, they have their ups and downs, and when I mean ups and downs, they come like this and they go like that. So yeah, she's the sweetest. See, I love you. Give me a kiss. Say give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I love you. So I can't wait to see what a full year would be like. I actually bought her in March, but I actually picked her up April 13 because she was so young. And so we're gonna actually celebrate her birthday on April 13, the date we bring her home. And she'll almost be a year, guys. I'm so proud of the progress she has made in like less than a year. Looking forward to see what another 2 years would be like with her and how she'll be. Any how she feel like she'll get no local cuddle up or cuddle up or warm, she just pass. We love her sweetness. Go away, girl, come. Up. You're not coming? No? Yes, up. Hi. Say bye, guys. Say that's it. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Continue to watch our progress. And we'll continue to make videos. I will try to make them more fluently. But I'm a busy woman. I work full-time, and I'm a hairdresser full-time, mother full-time, and yeah, I'm in one. So I'm gonna have to take enough time with where we are. Say bye-bye.